Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion with MK. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the best condition of health. Today I'm gonna tell you about colored pixie cut. A colored pixie cut sounds like a fun and a bold choice. It is a short hairstyle where the hair is cut close to the scalp and different colors are added to create a vibrant and unique look. It's a great way to express your creativity and individuality. There are so many colors you can try on a pixie cut. You can experiment with different vibrant shades like pink, purple, blue, or even go for a bold and bright rainbow look. If you prefer something more subtle, you can go for a pastel tones like lavender or mint green. The possibilities are endless. So viewers, let's end the video here and we'll meet you in the next video with more interesting content. If you like my video, then please like and subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming video notification from me. Thank you.